So today we are going to do the exercises and question answers of chapter 2 of history. So 5Bs are here, fill in the blanks. The first is the root cause of resentment of the colonist for the was the economic policy of England. This is economic policy. So first is economic policy, and the second is the Stamp Act imposed taxes on all business transactions in the American colony. Okay, so taxes. Second is taxes, and third is no taxation without representation. And fourth is the first state consists of clergy, the clergy. Okay, clergy means the priests, the people who are engaged in religious services in church. And five is Voltaire was a famous French writer, a famous French writer. And this is your homework. Okay, just read the chapter and match the following, and true and false. The Stamp Act removed the taxes on business transactions. This is false, because Stamp Act is to impose taxes. Okay, the tax on tea led to the decisive event through the American Constitution was the first written Republican Constitution. This is true. The fall of the Bastille marked the fall of the democracy. False, because this is the fall of autocracy. Okay, so the major result of the French Revolution was the destruction of feudalism. True. And now question and answers. Answer of the following questions. So first question is why did the American colonists refuse to pay taxes imposed by the British Parliament? So I have written answer of this question. This is American colonies refused to pay the taxes imposed by the British Parliament because, first of all, there was no representative of the colonies in the British Parliament, and the revenue generated by the taxes was taken to the Britain rather than using for the welfare of the colonies. And these heavy taxes were adversely affecting the economic condition of the colonies. So first is this, and the second is what is the importance of the Boston Tea Party? For this question, for this page number on this page number 14. Okay, so Boston Tea Party, answer D2. The tax on tea led to the decisive event from here. This is here of the colonies. This is answer D2, and answer D3. What is the most important aspect of the Declaration of the Independence 1776? So D3 is the D3 is here. The declaration asserted that all men are created equal and They are endowed by their creator with certain inalienable rights, and that these united colonies are and ought to be free and independent. Okay, from year to year, independent states. This is D3. And D4, what is the State General? For this, come to here, key terms, State General, it is D4. And D5, mention the three guiding principles of the French Revolution. So, three guiding principles were liberty, equality, and fraternity. So, three principles were these are liberty, equality, and fraternity. And answer the following in details. Mention any three causes that led to the American Revolution. Answer of this question is also I have written. This is from here to here. I will send you the PDF of this page. And question number 2. What was the result of the American War of Independence? E2. So answer E2 is from here on July 4, 1776 to where 13 colonies. The government recognized the independence of its former 13 colonies. This is okay. This is answer E2 from here to here. What were the main divisions of the French society? What were their conditions? For this here, page number 15. French society was divided into classes or states. There were two privileged classes from here. This is here from here E3. To the next page. The life of the nobility was characterized by extravagance and luxury. Yeah, wretched life here. This is and the next is but to what extent was the French monarchy responsible for the outbreak of the revolution? So for this question I have written the answer here. I'll send you the PDF. And the next is answer 5, question 5. Analyze three major consequences of the French Revolution. So three major consequences. Here, page number 17. Consequences of the French Revolution. A major result of the French Revolution was the destruction of feudalism from here. First, right from here to here emerged, and then the French Revolution inspired revolutionary movements in almost every country of Europe and in South and Central America. Then it spread the idea of liberty, equality, and fraternity. And then the National Assembly adopted the famous Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizens. And 1791, a new constitution was drawn up for France. It marked the establishment of republic here. So first write from for these lines this, and the French Revolution inspired this line movement almost every country Europe and in South and Central America. Then it spread the ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity. Then change the paragraph and write these lines. Republic, this much. Okay, so this is answer 5 and we have completed our chapter. Okay.